The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cook County in northeast Illinois, DuPage County in northeast Illinois, Kane County in northeast Illinois, Southern Lake County in northeast Illinois, southeastern McHenry County in northeast Illinois until 10 o'clock p.m. At 8:44 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Woodstock to Huntley to 5 miles southeast of Hampshire to Maple Park and moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near West Dundee, Sleepy Hollow, Lake in the Hills, and Elgin around 8:55 p.m. Oakwood Hills, Wayne, and St. Charles around 9 o'clock p.m. Tower Lakes, Streamwood, Hoffman Estates, and Geneva around 9:05 p.m. West Chicago, Schaumburg, North Aurora, and Inverness around 9:10 p.m. This warning includes the city of Chicago. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business.